You know what? I was sleeping all day. Just like I was in Popcorn's hangout, snoring. I was snoring all day again today because of this. I was watching Poncho Pete and I was watching Candy Franklin. This person. And like I just kept falling asleep snoring again, you know? Until this video. I realized all these people are really drunk. Yeah, I understand. So what happens when you're in a hotel? You get drunk, you know?
Masonic Rockstar. Masonic Rockstar.
Did you hear what that dude said? He said, Masonic Rockstar. Who says that? Unless like, you're like, you know, amazing. You know, Mark has to come out with the stupid glasses to make Flat Earth look fucking ridiculous. But I'm trying to look at Patty's dress here, like she's some kind of queen. I really can't figure this out. Are you like a Flat Earth representative, or are you like the queen of fucking Narnia, or whatever that movie is? Fuck with your wig and your fucking fairy tale dress. It's ridiculous. No, you know he's just gonna try to make it look as stupid as fucking possible.
Look at the cop.
Cop is just chilling. So nobody touch Mark. They're all Masons. I'll have to play it back, I guess.
I'm crazy over the hand symbol. True. Karen B.
There's my other best friend.
What up?
What up? Did you see that? Yeah.
This is the Masonic Rockstar. Masonic Rockstar.
Your hair looks like a wig. It just does.
Nice. Very nice.
I mean, I really don't care. It's not a big deal, but it just seems like you're just playing YouTube videos of people and like you're giving them some fucking stupid award that doesn't really even exist. I don't know.
I think Flat Earth Reset is right. It's all about money. This whole thing is about money. Just money, 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 money.
I'm guessing everybody's probably drunk at this point. Lots of beers and wine. And this guy, he looks like he's probably like a reptilian Nephilim overlord. Because look how tall he is. Like, he's like 2 feet taller than everybody. I mean, he's probably an alien, you know? If anybody's an alien, it's this guy. You know, I'm pretty sure. He's probably, you know, like from underground. You know, like, in the caves. Probably lives in the caves. His family probably lives in the caves. So what he's saying is there's already tickets for next year, 2018, for sale. So it must be a pretty good profit there for your alien overlord, Flat Earth, Robbie Davidson, and Patricia, the queen as dominatrix training witch. I don't know. And Mark with his funny glasses.
What I think happened here is David Weiss got on stage and then like saw Patty's like real dress, like, you know, like her real like form, probably like some alien form, and then like he got off stage real quick. I'm not sure, but I would think that, you know, like if I saw Patty in real life, I'd probably be dramatically traumatized, you know.
This is weird as fuck. So they let this girl Candy get on there and talk. She's been drinking for days and live streaming, talking about herself being completely wasted, which I don't blame her. I would be too if I was at the Flat Earth convention, but you know.
We're saying things we can't say, and because I was in a position working from home.
Because I was in a position working from home.
That it was something I could do and wanted to do. That I'm doing it for all you as well.
This is kind of weird. Like, I don't see your face. Like, you just whited out like it's a vampire or something. I don't know. On the side there. It's kind of weird. I don't know. It just seems weird. Fucking weird.
So I was thinking like about the guys on the side, you know, like D Marble and like Bob, and how much do they get paid, you know, compared to Patty? Like, if Patty's on the pedestal, you know, she must get paid more than like the rest of the guys. You know, like they're probably thinking about how much they're getting paid, you know, like how much, I don't know, compared to Patty, you know, I don't know.
There's some dude in the room saying no. She's going off and he's like, no, no, you're a psycho witch or something. I don't know.
So I think this guy kind of got pissed and was like, took the microphone because like, he was like threatened by like satanic demons.
And they were keeping him out, so of course they knew he had a big fucking mouth.
These are what the planets look like.